Good morning. It is 4:45 a.m. and it's time for me to get ready so I can work out. And I'm just starting off with my skincare routine using my Common Sense Wellness and Beauty products. And if you want to know how I apply these, I have a previous reel showing you how. And now I'm just getting myself ready, taking care of that skin. Come on. This is what I decided to wear, and it's an all black day. I always feel good in my black, feel like I'm about to really put in some work. And I started off with my jump ropes. I left that clip in because I forgot to stretch. So if you forget to stretch, stop immediately and do your stretches. And now we're back doing our jump ropes, and we are starting our exercises. I then had to stop again because the girls were trying to say hi, and I decided to just put on a shirt over my little bralette because we can't be having that. I love doing these. These hurt so bad, and this right here really hurt. I know JJ would probably say, get that butt out the air. If I was still training with him, he would definitely be fussing, but I'm going to tell y'all what to do since I'm showing one of his workouts. Your butt does need to be out the air when you do this. I'm always trying to add new exercises to my workout routine, so what you see going forward to the end of the video will be things that I'm just trying out. Thanks for working out with me today.